Hi Drawsuit Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing my new Drawsuit Cute Girl inspired by a cutie wearing my merch. So before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to this beautiful cutie here. Her name is Ava Grace and she's wearing my purple hoodie with my logo on it. So thank you so much Ava Grace, and I want to thank you for loving what I do, and I'm so happy to know that I'm inspiring you. So get your Sharpie and your pencil ready and let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. So nice and round. I'm going to come to the other side, about right here. And connect it at the bottom of a curve. So about there's my center, and then I'll go up. There. Nice and round bottom of a U. Then from there, let's come back to where we started and we're going to draw her eyes. So right next to the edge, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big circle. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Right next to the edge. And another circle. Okay, so then now let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, a slight slant, and then a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so then now let's come to the side right here and spruce up these eyes with some gorgeous lashes. Just 2 curves right on the side. And same thing over here. Just going to come in here and thicken them up. And same thing at the bottom, so a smaller one. And then let's come to the top of her eye, and about right here, I'll just draw a soft curve over her eye. And same thing on the other side, so about right here. There. And let's give her a sweet smile. So right in the center about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a small curve, slightly upwards a little bit, and then cap it off. There. Okay, so then now let's draw her hair. We're going to imagine this as an oval, and her hair is putting it on the side. So about right here, I'll just go ahead and give myself a point, and from there, I'm going to draw a curve down. And on this side, because her hair is very wavy, I'm just going to start to wave it a little bit as I come down. And on this side, let's do the same thing. I'm just going to start to wave it a little bit and just bring it through. From there, I'm going to come to where her hair parts, and I'm just going to bring this up. Just going to slight curve, imagining it curves about right here. I'll just give myself a point, and this part's going to go up, and this part's going to come down. And then from here, I can just go ahead and very lightly just draw a curve in there. And just draw some parting lines. There. So I'll bring this up. And as I come down, I'm going to start to give a slight wave. and then this side as well. Okay, so then from there, let's work on her body first before we finish the rest of her hair. So let's come to the center right here. I'm going to give her a small little neck right in the center. So about right here, draw a curve and a curve. And because she's wearing a hoodie, I'm going to come right here and connect it. From there, I'm just going to go ahead right here on this point here. I'm going to come out. So I need to draw her hoodie, so the top part. I'm going to come right here and just kind of wobble down a little bit. But I'm still imagining her shoulders coming down here. So that's why it's kind of down. And about right here, I'll go ahead and connect. And same thing here. Just give it a little bit of wobble and curve. So if you're using a pencil, definitely just imagine you're just drawing her shoulder first, and then you can put the hoodie in there. From there, let's come out a little bit more and then bring it down for her shoulder. Same thing here. Okay, so then from there, we're still imagining where her armpits would be. So about right here and here. And it is pretty wide because, like I said, she's wearing a hoodie. I'm going to come about right here and draw a slight curved straightish line. Okay, so then I'm just going to go ahead and connect this right here for her hoodie and bring this down a little bit more. And let's see, I need to draw her arms first because I'm having them in her pocket. So let's bring this down. So I'll work on this side first. I'm going to bend this in and here. Okay, so then same thing here. This is about where it would bend and come in. And let's draw the outside. And bend it in. So now her hands are in the pocket. So about right here, where this is going to come in, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. So same thing here. Draw a curve. And whatever space, just bring in the sleeves. And then right here at the top, just going to connect it right there. And bring this out a tiny bit past. And then we can go ahead and come around right here, and we're just going to kind of wobble this curve and down, because she is wearing kind of like oversized hoodie, so it's going to all gather around right here and curve it down and up there. So hopefully I didn't make that too complicated. And now her hands will look like it's in her pockets, and then we can come in here with some crease lines. Okay, come back in here. And so then now for her pants, nice and simple. We're going to come right to the center, and I'm just going to draw a straight line down a little bit, and then come right here. And I'll work on this side first. From here, I'm going to slightly come out. And we're going to get a little bit thinner. So about right here. And so this is going to start to part about right here. So it's still straight here, but then it starts to slightly part. Okay, so then now we can go ahead as we come down. You can give it a little bit curves if you like, because she is kind of like wearing sweatpants. And then right about here, give a little curve and connect. So same thing here. Bring it down. Start giving a little bit of curve. And connect. And then right here, you can give her a little trim area, and then her feet. So right here, and then her feet. We're just going to flare it out for a pair of simple sneakers. And same thing here. Flare it out. There. Curve. Curve for the bottom, and then the top right here, just add a curve, and then 2 curves at the top and some laces. So same thing here. Just a nice simplified way to draw sneakers. Okay, so then with these little wobbles that you have here, the purpose is just to add some lines right here, just to make it look like a pair of sweatpants. They're nice and loose and comfy. Okay, so then from there, we're pretty much done with the outfit. Let's finish off her hair. So I'm just gonna come about right here and just keep waving it down and just tuck it in about right there. Just to simplify it. So same thing here. There. And for some details, you can come in here, just add some of these, or you can do that when you're coloring. But hopefully I've captured her gorgeous hair. And let's see here. Okay, so then now, because what makes this cute girl very special is because she's wearing my merch, right? So I'm gonna come right here and just draw a very simplified version of my logo here that's on my merch. So I'm gonna come right here and draw a big circle, but right here in the center. And I'm popping this one in the center because it's the only way I can make it big enough. So nice big circle, kind of. Okay, so then I'll draw quickly my logo right here. So just kind of like a bottom of a U right here. Here. And I do have a video if you really want to draw this logo in detail. I do have a video on how to draw it. Draw so cute logo. So definitely check that out if I'm going too fast. Okay, so then her hair right here. And then I'm just going to add 2 little dots for eyes because we have no space, and then a big smile. Curve over each eye. And I'll write, let's see here, I'll put a heart right here. And then try to write I'm a cutie. There, kind of. I think I've got everything in now. My wobbly logo. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this new Draw So Cute girl turned out and it inspires you to draw it too. And once again, before I go, I want to say thank you so much, cuties, for all your support for my merch and for what I do. And I'm so happy to know that I continually inspire you to have fun loving art. And if you haven't already, make sure to check out my store because I've definitely added some more new items in there. There's some watermelon, there's some kitten, and a puppy. So definitely check it out, and hopefully there's something there that catches your eye. And let me know in the comments below if there's other things you would love to see in my store. So thanks so much for watching, cuties, and I will see you soon. So please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.